In today's video, I am going to teach you how to daily email flow up in Klaviyo. Start by logging into Klaviyo and looking at the left side navigation. Click Flows, then click Create Flow. This is where you build automated email sequences that send messages on a schedule. On the next screen, choose Build Your Own. This option gives you full control, which is ideal when you want a simple daily email flow that goes out one day at a time. Now you will select a trigger. The trigger is what starts the flow for a person. You can choose a list trigger if you want the flow to begin when someone joins a specific list, like a newsletter or a lead list. Or you can choose a metric trigger if you want it to begin after an action, like placing an order or starting checkout. Pick the trigger that matches your goal, then confirm the settings so the flow knows exactly who should enter and when. Once your trigger is set, you will build the sequence itself. From the Components panel, drag an email into the flow. Place it directly after the trigger, so it becomes the first message that goes out. When you create the email, give it a clear name so you can recognize it later, especially if you plan to add several days of emails. Next, drag a time delay block and drop it directly below that email. This delay controls how long Klaviyo waits before sending the next step. Set the delay to 1 day, then click Save. A helpful tip is to keep the timing consistent, because it makes the flow easier to manage and easier to troubleshoot. Now you will repeat the same pattern for each day you want in your daily sequence. Add another email after the 1 day delay, then add another time delay beneath it. Set it to 1 day, and save. Continue building in that same email, then 1 day delay rhythm until your full schedule is in place. This structure ensures that each email is spaced exactly 1 day apart from the previous one. When everything looks correct, go to the top right and click Live. This activates the flow so new people who meet your trigger conditions will begin receiving the daily emails based on your timing. That covers everything you need to know.